How to check insights on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Again scroll down and tap on account type and tools. Now tap on switch to professional account. Then tap on next. Now choose any category and tap on switch. Again wait for some time. Now select creator and tap on next. Tap on not now. Then tap on the cross icon. Now refresh the page and tap on professional dashboard. Now on this page you can find your insights and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.